Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to solve the limit of the two variable. Till now, we are solving the limit of only one variable like x, y or maybe any other variable. But here, there are two variables, means there is a function z which is a function of f of xy, means xy are the input and z is the output, and it is given as x1 divided by x cube y cube. Now, we have to find the limit x comma y tending to 0 comma 0, means x tending to 0 and y tending to 0, and where this function will lead to when x and y both approach to 0. So this is what it is asking. To solve such type of questions, we will consider three cases. So in the first case, we will move along x axis. We know that for x axis we will put y is equal to 0. So if we will put x comma y tending to 0 comma 0, so basically we will put x as x and y is equal to 0. So if we will just take care of this limit, so if we will consider x tending to 0 and we have to put y is equal to 0, so here it will become x cube multiplied by 0 cube. So we can write it as 1 divided by 0 and it will become infinite. So here along x axis the limit does not exist. Now in the second case, we will move along x axis we have done. Now we will move along y axis. So we know that for y axis the equation is x is equal to 0. So we can write as x comma y tending to 0 comma y. So we will put limit as limit y tending to 0, 1 divided by 0 cube multiplied by y cube. So here what it will become? It will become infinite again. So again along y axis limit also does not exist. Now in third case, we will move along y is equal to x line. We know that suppose this is x axis, this is y axis, so this line is y is equal to x, mean at an angle of 45 degree. So if we will move along this line, what we will get? So we know that we can take any variable here. So suppose we take x is equal to 0. Now we can write x as y, so it will become x cube into y as x we can write, so it will become also x cube. So it will become limit x tending to 0. This will become 1 divided by x to the power 6, and again it will become 1 by 0, it will become infinite. So along y is equal to x line limit also does not exist. So in all these cases limit does not exist. So whole the answer is does not exist. From this we can say that at x comma y is equal to 0 comma 0, this function 1 upon x cube y cube does not exist, means its value does not exist. So here in this box we can easily write does not exist. Now we will consider the second question of this type. So this is also the question of same type. In this video, this is the limit of two variable again and tending to 0 comma 0, but here the function is different. So we can write z is a function of x comma y. So it is basically x square divided by x square plus 9 multiplied by y square plus 9. This is the function. Now if we will consider the first case, we will move along x axis. We can take any axis. So for x axis we know that we will put y is equal to 0. So if we will put y is equal to 0, the limit will become x tending to 0, and we have to put this x square divided by x square plus 9, and it will become 0 plus 9 because we have already put the value of y is equal to 0. And now if we will put the limit value, that is x tending to 0 in this, so it will become 0 divided by 0 plus 9. So it will become 0 divided by 0 plus 9 multiplied by 9. So it will become 0. So along x axis the limit tending to 0. Now we will consider the second case. So we will take the example of along y axis. So we know that the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So we will put the limit y tending to 0 and we will put x is equal to 0 in this function, that is z. So this will become 0 square means 0, it will become 0 plus 9, and here it will become y square plus 9. So if we will put y tending to 0 means y is equal to 0 in this limit, so it will become 0 divided by 9 into 0 plus 9. So it will basically become 0 again. So along both the line x and y axis, the limit is approaching to 0. Now we will consider the third case. Suppose we are moving along line y is equal to x. So we can take any variable here tending to 0. So if we will put y is equal to x here, so it will become x square, it will become x square plus 9, and it will again become x square plus 9. So if we will solve this, what we will get? We will get as limit x tending to 0, it will become x square divided by 2, it will become x square divided by 9. So if we will put x is equal to 0 in this, it will become 0 divided by 2 multiplied by 0 plus 9. So it will basically become 0. So now from here all the cases, that is case 1, that is case 2 and case 3, we are getting 0 as the answer. So here we can say that the limit of this function at x comma y tending to 0 comma 0 will tends to 0. So 0 will be the answer. So here in this box we will write 0. So I hope from these two example solutions you will get some idea of how to solve the limiting value of two variable function. So if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and share and subscribe my channel. And if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website or put your doubt in the comment section below. Thank you very much.